आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया का ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of Samachar Agency of India on Saturday 20 June 2020. Now you are here the news from Preeti Bhosle. The number of infected patients of COVID-19 in the country has increased the number 3,95,048 and the number of active patients are 21,331 and the number those who were died is 12,948. Now, state-wise scenario is Maharashtra having the total cases found the COVID-19 1,24,331 and the recovered cases are 62,773. In the Tamil Nadu, 54,449 are the active cases and recovered cases are 30,271. In Delhi, the total cases are found 53,116 and recovered cases are 23,569. In the Gujarat, total COVID number are 26,141 and recovered cases are 18,159. In UP, total cases are found 15,785 and recovered cases are 9,318. Right, in the Rajasthan, total recovered cases are 10,997 and total cases are found 14,156. In the West Bengal, the active cases are found 13,019 and recovered cases are 7,303. In the Madhya Pradesh, total cases of COVID-19 are 11,582 and recovered cases are 8,748. In the Haryana, the active cases are 9,743 and recovered cases are 4,889. In the Karnataka, total cases are found 8,281 and recovered cases are 5,210. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that neither is anyone inside the Indian territory nor has any of its posts been captured. The Prime Minister was speaking at all-party meeting held through the video conferencing last evening, discussed the situation in India-China border areas. President of the various political parties participate in the meeting. Mr. Modi said the 20 brave soldiers of the country made the supreme sacrifice for the nation in Ladakh, but also taught a lesson to those who were there to look over our motherland. He said the country will forever remember their valor and the sacrifice. He also said the army has given full freedom to take necessary steps and India has also conveyed its position clear to the China through the diplomatic means. The Prime Minister stressed that the India wants to free and peace friendship, but upholding sovereignty is foremost. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has announced the compensation of the 5 crore rupees to the family of matriarch colonial Santosh Babu and he brave heart made to the supreme sacrifice for the nation in the line of duty during the face-off with the Chinese troops at Guan Valley earlier this week. In the honor to matriarch soldiers' bravery, the government decided to the offer the Group 1 job to the slain military of his wife and a residential plot. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana today to boost the livelihood opportunity in the rural India. The Prime Minister will launch the campaign through the video conferencing. The massive rural public works scheme will be launched from Tilhar village at a Beldaru block in the Khajiria district of Bihar in the presence of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. The scheme will be cover 116 districts in the 6th state and the campaign aimed to provide the livelihood, the opportunity to the returning migrant workers and rural citizens. About 35 lakhs migrant workers have returned to Bihar from the different parts of country during the lockdown period. Migrant laborers of the state are the enthusiastic over the launch of the ambitious Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana. Result of all 8 states that went to the polls for the Rajya Sabha have been declared. Voting was held for the 19 seats spread over 8 states yesterday. Jyotirayaj Scindia of the BJP, Congress leader Digvijay Singh and the former Jharkhand Chief Minister and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha Chief Shibu Soren were among those who are elected to 19 Rajya Sabha seats. Of the 19 seats, 4 each were from the Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and 3 each from Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, 2 for the Jharkhand and 1 each from the Manipur, Mizoram and Meghalaya. The central government has said that the recovery rate of the COVID-19 patient has reached the 53.80% in the country, and the total of the 2,04,711 people affected with the coronavirus have been the cured so far. During the last 24 hours, 10,368 people have recovered from COVID-19 presently. Today number of the active corona cases in the country is 1,63,248. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry said a total 13,586 new cases of the coronavirus have been reported in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of the cases to 3,80,532, and this is the highest number of the case registered in a single day since the outbreak of the COVID-19 in the country. The center has returned to the state to follow the guidelines for the effective home isolation. The Home Ministry had received the guideline regarding the home isolation on the 10th of the last month. The ministry said, as per the guideline, very mild and the pre-symptomatic COVID-19 patient can be opt for the home isolation provided the patient has been room to the himself or herself and has an adult attendant. The ministry said some instances have been the notice wherein in-home isolation is allowed in the routine manner in the certain state, and cause of the received guideline are not being followed in the letter and spirit. The government has decided to establish 1,000 Khelo India centers KIC at a district level across the country. These centers will be entire run by the past campaign or have these coaches. The move of the tap into the expertise of the past sporting champion for the grassroots level training of the athletics, and also they ensure the sustained sources of income for them in the sports ecosystem. The world is reaping the benefit of yoga, and this invaluable gift of the Indian Asian tradition will celebrate tomorrow as the International Day of Yoga. Our Bangalore correspondent spoke a scientist from the Indian Institute of Science on how the yoga has helped people to cope up with the pandemic. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced a slew of the measures to stop the spread of the coronavirus in the state, and cases of the corona infection are rising continuously every passing day. And the Chief Minister asserted that all the efforts should be made to make the available better health services to the people in this the disastrous time of the COVID-19. You were listening the National Level Audio Bulletin from the Samachar Agency of the India from Preeti Bhosle on the Saturday 20 June 2020. We will again take this bulletin on Sunday 21st June 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. We will be present again. Till then, goodbye.